हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं अमित त्यागी और आज मेरे साथ जुड़ रही हैं दो ऐसी खूबसूरत बहनें जिनको देखकर आपको लगेगा कि ये दो नई हीरोइंस हैं जिनका मैं आपसे आगाज कराने जा रहा हूं, लेकिन ये दोनों हैं आवाज की दुनिया की मालिका। इनकी बहन को आप जानते हैं, पर ये तीनों बहनें मतलब म्यूजिक की दुनिया में हलचल मचा रही हैं। तो इनका एक नया एल्बम हम तुम आ गया है। तो मिलते हैं इन दोनों खूबसूरत सी म्यूजिकल बहनों से। तो ये बताएं कि बहनें जो होती हैं, एक एक ऐसी जोड़ी होती है, रिश्ता जो ऊपर वाला बना के आता है। तो ये रिश्ता प्रोफेशनली कैसे बना? आप तीनों बहनें इस वक्त दोनों साथ हैं, तो कैसे आप तीनों ने ये जुगलबंदी ये साथ में शुरू किया? हाउ डिड इट ऑल स्टार्टेड?
I think ये आपको mom and dad को पूछना पड़ेगा because coming from a very very musical family right from the beginning, mom has been a music teacher in Delhi for a very long time. I think वहाँ से हमारी music journey शुरू हुई थी. Then obviously Didi, like you mentioned, Akriti, she's 9 years older. And जब हम I think 10 या 9 साल के थे, that time she moved to Bombay with our father, and they were staying in Bombay and we were staying in Delhi, just to try luck in Bollywood and the singing industry, kaise kya hota hai. We moved to Bombay in 2010 or 9. Yeah, okay. And ever since then, I think हम वापस गए नहीं हैं. And हमारे लिए actually was a blessing in disguise. We just got to be a part of Bombay. I think Delhi में रह के शायद possible भी नहीं होता इतना travel करना and composers से मिलना. And we started singing for films essentially, in the beginning, of course, क्योंकि Bollywood was actually the main music industry. Singles and non-film and independent music का दौर I think अब शुरू हो रहा है फिर से. And of course now it's something as important as Bollywood music. But I think हम दोनों का ड्रीम हमेशा से यही था कि हम खुद का म्यूजिक लिखें, खुद का म्यूजिक कंपोज करें, खुद की म्यूजिक वीडियोस करें. I think being 90s kid, that's everyone's dream. If they want to do anything in music, they want to grow up and be a pop star.
It's like amazing, yeah.
Definitely, I think indie pop was such a big hit even then, and I think वही दौरान में we were also growing up, we were going to school, and now I think that trend is coming back. So it's good because now we started our journey singing for movies, and also it's a time where non-film music, I don't know why people actually call it non-film music because it's all music at the end of the day. But thanks to Viral Originals for repping us, representing our music, and always having so much faith in us.
Yeah. तो ये जो नया एल्बम है हम तुम, इसमें जो आपके साथ जो दो लड़के हैं, एक तो मैं उनके साथ मैंने प्रोजेक्ट किए हैं. प्रियांक के साथ आई डन अ शो इन स्विट्जरलैंड, एंड राघव मेरे होम टाउन के हैं, उत्तराखंड के. सो व्हाट आर दीस बॉयज यू आर जैमिंग अप इन द वीडियो?
What are the odds? Yeah, I think small world. Well, I think जब हम तुम के लिए cast कर रहे थे, of course they were both in our priority list. We just wanted somebody to look right with us, because also we are very young and we wanted somebody to have that same energy, same vibrance in their personality. And both इतने amazing dancers हैं, actors हैं. So of course there were some criteria you were looking at, and they fit everything. Yeah. Having them on board, हमारा पूरा जो single है हम तुम, it's taken it to another level. They have performed so well. It's been so inspiring to be on the same track as them because there's so much to learn from them also. And yeah, I think when you see the video, you'll have a lot of fun. आपको बहुत मजा आएगा देखने. But also behind the scenes, it was so much fun. हमने बहुत मस्ती की है shoot पे, and they both are really really amazing souls. And God bless this project. It's releasing tomorrow, so really looking forward.
जी. तो एक बात बताएं कि अभी मैंने एक वेब सीरीज देखी थी हाल में, बंदिश बैंडिट्स. तो मुझे लगा म्यूजिक के पीछे कितनी कहानियां होती हैं. तो व्हाट अबाउट द थ्री सिस्टर्स कमिंग टुगेदर एंड नरेटिंग अ स्टोरी इन अ वेब सीरीज नाउ? मतलब एक आपकी कहानी आई एम श्योर विल बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर द सो व्हाट अबाउट द थ्री कमिंग टुगेदर?
आपने बहुत ही अमेजिंग आइडिया दे दिया है. कोई सुन के अगर हमें अप्रोच करेगा, आई थिंक वीड बी वेरी वेरी डाउन टू डू इट. बट आई थिंक कोलैबोरेशन की जहाँ तक बात है, बहुत सालों से ये हम डिसाइड कर रहे हैं that three sisters will come together and do a song. It's probably going to happen. I think this is the year it's going to happen, and I think as soon as we lock a great song, because I think दीदी की expertise कुछ और है, हमारा जो genre है वो maybe थोड़ा अलग है, तो I think a fusion of that will be really interesting. We're looking for the perfect song, and as soon as we have that, we will definitely release it. It's time. We should. It's time.
तो एक हो जाए एक झलक इस गाने की, मैं चाहता हूँ आप दोनों एक हमारे साथ भी एक जरा इसकी एक सुहानी सी शाम है उसको म्यूजिकल बनाते हैं.
Absolutely. हम तुम गाएंगे आपके लिए, and this is what it goes like. तुम हमार हम तुम हो जाए कहीं गुम आया, मैं तेरे बिना गुमसुम न जाने तूने ऐसा क्या किया किया. तुम हमार हम तुम हो जाए कहीं गुम आया, मैं तेरे बिना गुमसुम न जाने तूने ऐसा क्या किया. That's a little bit from the chorus of our new song.
जी, तो मुझे आपकी आवाज सुन के वो वीवा और वो एक मैग्ना साउंड की जो एल्बम, that same, that youthful appeal that I used to hear in the so-called 90s, I think
Viva is one of our favorites. I think the first song we ever sang on stage was a Viva song. Yeah, it was Jago Zara. I don't know if you know the song, but so yeah, we've grown up with the same culture of music. So Viva has been a very, very big part in our growing up and our music at that time. I remember we were like, this is what we want to do, but we were not 18 yet or 17, and there was an age limit. जब आप audition के लिए नहीं जा सकते. I think we were a little younger, but yes, Viva brings back a lot of memories.
So इसे सोशल मीडिया के दौर में आजकल म्यूजिक को लोग मतलब पहले था एक कैसेट आते थे, सीडीज आती थी, लेकिन आजकल म्यूजिक हैज लाइक इट्स गॉन 360. सोशल मीडिया बज, it releases independently. So how you seen music has evolved? दो कहते हैं कि म्यूजिक किल भी हो गया, आजकल नया म्यूजिक बहुत कम हो गया है बनने, हिंदी फिल्म गानों में भी पुराना रिहैश होता है. So what do you feel in the current 2020 the millennials का जो ये म्यूजिक है, what it is? It's rehash?
Yeah, it is rehashed for most parts, but I think हम इस साल of course concentrate करेंगे on a lot of original music, and I think that's our USP. We've always, जितने भी हमने viral के साथ भी गाने किए हैं, they've all been new creations. Of course, Bollywood is a whole different ball game. There we're always called to sing a song for someone else. So, and we are a part of so many remakes ourselves. But I think the whole idea for a remake should always be to do something कि गाना better हो जाए, worse ना हो, और that should be the intention. Most times it's always आजकल जो भी clubs में, आजकल तो clubs नहीं है क्योंकि we're all in lockdown and whatever, but I think before that also there's so many new millennials who when there's a 90s song or an 80s song being rehashed, a lot of these millennials don't even know those songs. For them, it's like a brand new song. And for the people who know them, जब तक club में hook तक कोई गाना आता है, people know it. So they treat it as a new song, and जब तक hook तक कोई गाना आता है, people are singing it already. So I think the advantage, of course, it has, it becomes a hit. It's not a very adventurous option. But yeah, I think people should now definitely start being a little more adventurous. Yeah, I think there should be a balance. Balance is very important for every musician. I think the only way I look at it also as, if you're a aspiring musician, अगर आपको music really करना है career में, तो obviously there are two ways to do it. You sing for Bollywood, and also you become and learn as much as you can to be a good songwriter also. I think original music is very, very important. And जब तक वो नहीं, हमने भी I think 2019 में ही start किया अपने खुद के गाने बनाने के लिए. So that's been a very nice journey for us, and I think we're learning so much every day, and that's very important. Every day we learn something new, and it's a fun ride.
Yes. तो उम्मीद करते हैं आपका म्यूजिक भी, जैसा आपने कहा, मिलेनियल तक पहुंचे, एंड आपके सुरों में वो बात है, एंड अगर दिलों में सच्चाई है तो आई एम श्योर म्यूजिक touches the soul. So all the best to both of you. उम्मीद करते हैं कि सिस्टर्स का ये गाना, कक्कर सिस्टर्स का गाना घर घर तक पहुंचे. All the best. और मैं चाहता हूँ आपको पर्दे पर आपकी कहानी जल्दी देखूं.
We will definitely pitch this idea to someone now, since you've put it in our head.
Then we'll do the interview again and talk about it.
Done.
Filhal?
Absolutely.
Done.
Filhal, all the best and thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much.
Take care.
Take care.